Hello everyone, my name is B. Gordhan Kumar, roll number is 23 4G 18010. Moment of inertia. About any axis in the plane of an area is equal to sum of moment of inertia about parallel central and axis. The product of area and square of the distance between two parallel axes. IAB is equal to IGG plus IYC square, where IAB moment of inertia about axis AB, IGG moment of inertia about centroid axis parallel to AB. A equal to the area of the plane figure given, and y is equal to the distance between the axis AB and parallel centroid axis GG. The given is symmetrically about area of 10 into 2 equal to 20 cm square. Area of 10 into 2 20 cm square. Area of 20 into 40 equal to 40 cm square. y1 equal to 2 plus 10 plus 2 by 2 equal to 13 cm. y2 equal to 2 plus 10 by 2 equal to 7 cm. y3 2 by 2 equal to 1 cm. y bar equal to a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 by a1 plus a2 plus a3 equal to 20 into 13 plus 20 into 7 plus 40 into 1 by 20 plus 20 plus 40. 260 plus 140 plus 40 by 20, 440 by 80. Y bar 5.5 cm. Centroid of rectangle A point into 0 comma minus 7.5, D comma 0 point minus 13 15, C 0 comma 4.5. IXX equal to 10 into 2 power 3 by 12 plus 2 into 13 square plus 2 into 10 cube by 12 plus 20 into 7 square, 20 into 2 cube by 12 plus 40 into 1. 8 by 12 3380 plus 2012 plus 280 plus 160 by 12 40. 3386.6 plus 120, 2 into 10 power 3 by 12, 10 into 2 cube by 12 plus 2 into 20 power 3, 166.66 plus 6.66 plus 1333.33 equal to 1506.683 cm 4. I equal to IXX plus IYY equal to 3973.3 1506 653 5479 973. Kinematics deals with the motion objects without considering the forces causing the motions, focusing on concepts like position, velocity, and acceleration. Kinetics individuals studying the forces acting and the object and how they affect motion. Given E equal to 19.6 meter per square, H equal to 24.5 m. Mass, height, maximum height, V square minus U square equal to 2gs. 0 plus 19.6 square plus 29.8 square, S equal to 19.6 equal to 19.6 into 19.6 by 19.6, S equal to 19.6 meters. The velocity of the store downwards at the height of the tower is same initial velocity 19.6 meter per square. T1 equal to time taken to reach maximum height. T2 equal to time taken from maximum height to ground. T equal to total time. T equal to T1 plus T2. T1 equal to V equal to V plus 80. 0 equal to 19.6 plus 9.8 T. T1 2 seconds. T2 S equal to UT plus 1 by T 80 square. U dot 1 by 2 9.8 T2 square. T2 equal to 3 seconds. T1 T equal to T1 plus T2 2 plus 3. T equal to 5 seconds. Translations and rotations. Translations is movement an object from one position to another without any changes. During translations, the object maintains the same angle and direction to its triangle position. Rotations is a movement of an object around a fixed point or axis. The object position may change, but its distance from the fixed point or axis remains constant. Sixth one, range equal to 9m, x equal to 5m, y equal to 4m. Range equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. 9 equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. U square equal to 9g by sin 2 theta. U square 9g by 2 sin cos theta. From the equations, y equal to x tan theta 1 by 2 9x square by u square cos square theta. 4 equal to 5 tan theta 1 by 2 g into 25 by 9g 2 sin theta cos theta into cos square theta 4 equal to 5 tan theta 1 by 2 5 tan theta 4 equal to 2.2 22 tan theta 1.8 theta equal to 60.94 from equation 1 u square equal to 9 into 9.81 by sin 121.88 equal to 88.2 by 0.84 u equal to 10.24 meter per square seconds. Thank you.